Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, this week's question is from my last advanced PowerShell class. What is the difference between Invoke-Command's script block parameter and the command parameter? We'll take a look at that question this episode. Now, this particular question kind of caught me off guard. I think my response was, there's a command parameter? Seriously? Okay, so I do welcome these types of questions. What I tell the participants in my IT classes at the beginning of each session is that I'm not going to shoot from the hip. If you ask a question I don't have an answer to, I'm going to take note of it, I'm going to do some research, and then I will get back to you. Truth be told, I kind of had an idea what this command parameter that I've never heard of actually was. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask the help system. We're going to get help, invoke command on the parameter command, and you can see no parameter matches criteria. So this isn't actually a parameter. Now we have to understand there are different flavors of help that's out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the online help. Now there's two flavors of help that are going to give us the depth of knowledge, the depth of information we need. That is either the full help file or online. Now if I do a Control F and specifically search for that parameter, I'm going to have 86 replies. That's not really going to help us out here. But again, I was pretty suspicious about what it could be. So we're going to go down to the parameters. And as I scroll through these parameters, I'm going to be looking down in this area for anything that says aliases. So let's just go through here and quickly I'm going to go down to what I thought was going to be the correct parameter. There we go, script block. So if you look carefully right down here, we can see that it has an alias of command. Aliases are alternate names that we as coders can add to our parameters. So if you think about this way, you say potato, I say potato, where you might say, hey, this parameter should be computer name because of the world you come from. I might say, no, the parameter should be machine name because of the world I come from. So what we can do is we can provide aliases so that our parameters are more searchable, more discoverable to potential users. And we can see when I execute these commands, here's with the command parameter, and then with the script block parameter, they both yield the same information, grabbing remote information from our server DC1. So the moral of the story is this. If you're reading through someone's blog or going through documentation and you see a parameter on a command that you've never seen before, and you can't specifically ask for help on it, open up the help file for that commandlet, either with full or online, and then take a look at all the aliases. Now, a quick way you can do this is type in Control F, type in the word alias, and then you could just go through the entire help file looking at all the aliases for each one of the parameters until you find the one that you're interested in. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and y'all have a great week. I'll see you in the next episode.